Top of the morning. It's a poem I wrote. It's called This Ego of Mine. Check it out. You are trivial, polluting esteemed virtues of a man in search of greater depth. I am who you pretend to be. Your attempt to reconcile my vanity only further proves your narcissist insanity. I combat the you and me by shifting your presence in things where you can be prostituted for the greater good of myself and others. So be okay with being my bottom baby. And I will gas you for the gain of never-ending riches. But you won't be in the driver's seat of my vehicle and drive me off a cliff. How many fights did you get me into? How many poor decisions was manipulated by your worldview? I gave you life. You gave me karma times 2. It turned sunny, orange, and red days into ones that's gray, black, and blue. Your rage feels pleasant, but your results lead to never-ending gloom. I got so many new vibes in this house of mine. So I'm filling up your space with a greater purpose. So sorry, Captain. In this home, I no longer have room. This ego of mine, 2 bullets in your head. Pow, sucker. Goodbye. Shine right to the poem Diaries.